Asian Games, I can help you.
Is this PS3 and Xbox repair?
Yes, it is, huh?
Yeah. Well, how much is it to get my Xbox fixed?
What's wrong with it? What is wrong with the Xbox?
You tell me, babe. You tell me. Well, basically, when I turn it on, right, it says you've been fucked over. So I just wondered how much cost to get that taken off, or, you know.
I'm sorry, it says what?
You've been fucked over.
That's impossible. It can't say that.
Yeah, it does. Trust me. When I bring it over, you'll see, right, how much to get it fixed.
I can't fix that.
Oh, so you're not very skilled, are you?
No, fuck you. Call somebody else.
You what?